Welcome to our 360-degree virtual tour of Upper Sage Flat Campground in the Inyo National Forest. Pan around by using your mouse, TV controller, or just tilting your phone to get the best possible view. And make sure you're viewing at the maximum resolution for the best experience. As we enter, we pass the camp manager on the left. During our stay, this was Kim, and he was great. Then there are restrooms on the left, trash and recycle on the right. Site number 2 is right in front of us. It's all dry camping here, but there are water spigots throughout. We're passing 3 on the right, and 4 is on the left. Water is on the right. After that, 5 is also on the right, and 6 is on the left. These sites on the left back up to the creek and are really nice. Site 7 is on the right, and 8 is right across on the left. Site 9 is on the right, and there's a water spigot there too. We're coming up to Site 10 on the right. Here we pass a footbridge that crosses the creek and leads to a trail that goes down to Sage Flat Campground or up to Glacier Lodge and the Big Pine Creek trailhead. We're coming back out of the cul-de-sac now and passing the sites we've already seen. We'll pick back up on the lower loop in a minute. Now we did a trip video of our time here hiking up the Big Pine Creek, so make sure you check that out too. Also, we'll be putting up our 360-degree virtual tours of both Big Pine Creek and Sage Flat campgrounds, which are close by. You'll find links to all of these in the description. As we pass the restrooms again, Site 11 is on the right and water directly across. And up ahead on the left is Site 12, our site. Note this is a very forward-leaning site and it was almost impossible to get level. Watch our video if you want to see how we did that. It was really something. Site 13 is on the left, followed by Site 14 on the left. Then you have Site 15 on the right before the loop. Followed by 16 on the right. Then 17 is on the right, and 18 after that. Water is on the left, and Site 19 on the right, followed by 20 on the right, and Site 21 is also on the right. Water is just after that. And that concludes our virtual tour of Upper Sage Flat Campground in the Big Pine Creek area of Inyo National Forest. We hope this has been helpful, and if so, please like and subscribe. That really helps our channel grow. Happy camping!